Welcome to Epic Top 10. In this video, we will share the 10 hottest Korean female golfers. Many will agree with the privileging stereotype that golf can be a spectacular and good game only with the participation of men, but we does not think so. Therefore, we have compiled a list of women who not only play great golf but also look stunning and sexy. There are several organizations around the world that promote women's golf and promote women as players. One of the most organizations, LPGA, is known for its weekly LPGA tours, which is good platform for girls. But it is worth noting that the female golfers rating does not yet match with the Rolex men's rating. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for most interesting top 10 videos, and you will get 10 years of good luck. Try it, it works. Alright, let's begin. Number 1 on the list, Hyunju Yoo. Hyunju Yoo is a South Korean professional golfer who plays on the LPGA of Korea Tour. This 5'5" beautiful golfer, born on 14 July 1995, won the 2014 Evian Championship while setting the record for lowest 18-hole score at a major with a 61 in the first round. This was her first major appearance, and later she accepted membership on the LPGA Tour of 2015. Number 2 on the list, Shin-Ae Ahn. Shin-Ae Ahn moved to New Zealand when she was 9 and took up the game of golf shortly thereafter. While in New Zealand, she was known as Sharon Ann. Ann compiled an impressive amateur record while representing New Zealand in various competitions, including the Queen Circuit Cup. Shin-Ae Ahn started her career in the KLGPA since 2009 and participated in the LPGA's Evian Masters 2011 and US Women's Open in the same year. Number 3 on the list, WonJooo. WonJooo is not only a professional golf player in the KLGPA, she is also a professional golf coach. Number 4 on the list, Eun Ji Her. Eun Ji Her, same as WonJooo, is a professional KLGPA golfer and also a professional golf coach. She is also a model for the popular golf brand Renoma Golf. Number 5 on the list, Hyomin Jung. Hyomin Jung is not only a KLGPA golfer, but she has also expanded her career as part of the Class A LPGA in the United States. Number 6 on the list, Sohyun Park. Aside from playing in the KLPGA, Sohyun Park is also the ambassador of the golf brands Wide Angle Golf and Ping Golf. Apart from that, she is also a Level 2 referee in the Korean Golf Association. Number 7 on the list, Jeong Eun Ho. Jeong Eun Ho is one of the most popular golf players in South Korea and was previously as Klpga Tour champion in 2017. Jeong Eun Ho was a teenage amateur who made a big splash in 2013 when she finished 8th at the Korean Women's Open, the KLPGA's biggest tournament. She turned pro in the fall and played the Dream Tour, eventually qualifying for the KLPGA in 2014. Her somewhat resembles Korean figure skating legend Yoona Kim, and so she earned the nickname the Yoona Kim of Golf. She quickly became a popular player on tour, but her game took a little longer to come around. In 2014, she only finished 64th of money list. With a pair of 9th place finishes her best results. Number 8 on the list, Sohyun Ryu. Sohyun Ryu is a South Korean professional golfer who plays on the LPGA Tour and on the LPGA of Korea Tour. She is a two-time major winner, having the title of 2011 US Women's Open and the 2017 Anat Inspiration. Number 9 on the list, Jeong Eun Lee. Jeong Eun Lee is a South Korean professional golfer who currently plays on the LPGA Tour and the LPGA of Korea Tour. In 2019, she won her first major championship at the US Women's Open and was named the 2019 LPGA Louis Sox Rolex Rookie of the Year. Number 10 on the list, Seon Woo Bae turned pro in the late 2012 and played the minor league Dream Tour in Korea in 2013. She joined the KLPGA in 2014 and finished 28th place on the money list with over 150 million net worth. Her best finish that season was a second place at the Korea Women's Open 2015, was Bae's breakthrough season on the KLPGA. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Stay healthy, stay happy. Goodbye.